when you start law school?
Okay. To the left. I know we're in New York, but you can get on the F. In the closet, I will fuck your butt. Yes, when I fuck you, you will be my butt slut. And we may be in Harlem, that's fine, but please don't lose your condom inside it. Get on that F train, cause I know that you give good brain. See it, bitch, I'm sitting here on the subway. Hey, mister, how you doing over there today? You got me twisted. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can have another dick in a minute. Matter of fact, it'll be here in a minute. Leo, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can have another train by tomorrow, so don't you ever for a second get to thinking you're getting in this hole.